Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota 2000 GT and it's a legendary car, and this is by Majorette from the limited edition Series 9, and this is from 2023. I bought it for 349 back then. So let's unbox it. I really wish they could have did something different for holding this cards, like an easy way to pop it out instead of bending it. Okay, let me throw this away. Stuff it. Okay, so here is the card art. That looks really nice, and so here is the car specification. Okay, so let me just put this aside and let's get to the casting now. Okay, I think we have some space here to open this again. Yeah, we do have. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks absolutely gorgeous and it is solid. So okay, you can see the acrylic headlights here, awesome, and it has rear view mirrors, true to the casting, sorry, true to the car. Okay, and it has taillight detailing as well. You can see the fuel filler cap here, and I'm really glad they are not going with full tinted windshields. So I think this maybe a little bit tinted, I guess, or just because of the black, full black car it is looking like that. Okay, this is a transparent windshield actually. You can see the interior here, that looks really good, and the rims on this one looks absolutely awesome. I think this is true to this particular car if I'm not wrong. So I think Tommy also did the same thing, if my memory serves me right. So that is really good. I mean, it has wiper detailing as well, you can see, and the casting is really solid. That is, it is unique in every way. Okay, it has this openable engine bay. Okay, the details are good. Honestly, compared to Matchbox cars, these are really good. I mean, they just put some paint on everything and they call it a day. But here they actually did some. Uh, you can see the detailing on this one. I mean, it has some depth to it instead of just painting on top of it. They didn't paint it at all. It is a piece of plastic inside, and you can see all the details like properly, protruding out. So this is what I personally love about Majorette compared to Matchbox. Okay, yeah, it does have suspension. 35, 36 grams, let's see. Yeah, 36 grams exactly. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, that actually rolls really well. I was not expecting that. Okay, okay, so it does roll really good. Let's rate this casting now. So they did put this tail light detailing a little bit offset there. So again, when it comes to Majorette, rolling is not an aspect at all, but the detailing matters when it comes to Majorette, especially the premium series, that 349 or 399 I think now. That particular series are above that. So I'm taking zero point 0.5 out of this, 9.5 out of 10. Again, this is this might be for me. Maybe yours might not have this particular offset detailing. I mean, it is a very little bit, but it is still there. So, but honestly, it's a beautiful casting. So, if by any chance, if you are able to get any of this from this older series, just go ahead and get it. You will love it. So one more thing, guys, I don't know if I mentioned this. So in this particular casting, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So I don't know if I missed that one out. I'm just mentioning that once again. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. And if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.